Hey, welcome to the fifth part of our 7-part video series on 7 easy ways to make money with cryptocurrency with minimal effort. Last time we discussed automated investment platforms. Today we're going to talk about something that might sound too good to be true: earning crypto by watching ads. Some websites and apps will pay you small amounts of cryptocurrency for watching advertisements. It's a way for companies to make sure their ads are being seen and you get paid for your time and attention. In 2024, some popular platforms are Swagbucks. This versatile platform lets you earn points for various activities, including watching video ads. These points can be exchanged for cryptocurrency, cash, or gift cards. Swagbucks has been around for years and has a solid reputation. Pointapply. This platform focuses specifically on cryptocurrency rewards. You can earn Bitcoin for watching ads, completing surveys, and playing games. Pointapply has gained popularity due to its low minimum payout threshold and variety of earning options. It's important to be realistic about earnings from watching ads. The pay is usually quite low. Typical earnings might look like this: short video ad, 15 to 30 seconds, 1 to 5 cents worth of crypto. Longer video ad, 1 to 2 minutes, 5 to 10 cents worth of crypto. Survey or interactive ad, 10 to 50 cents worth of crypto. If you dedicate an hour a day to this, you might earn between $1 and $5 worth of cryptocurrency. It's not much, but it adds up over time, especially if the crypto you earn increases in value. To earn a significant amount, you'd need to watch many ads over a long period. So while you can earn some money this way, it won't replace a regular job. But it's very easy to do. You can do it in your spare time, like while waiting for a bus. And it's a way to earn a little extra crypto without investing your own money. Be cautious and research platforms before using them to avoid scams. What do you think about earning crypto by watching ads? Is it something you'd consider trying? Let us know in the comments. In our next video, we'll talk about cashback services that pay in crypto. It's a way to earn while you shop. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it.